So today I'm going to make a quick soup. So these are the leftover honey roasted vegetables. Just stick them in a blender. So there was heritage carrots, parsnips, a swede, celery and onion. Canoe, apparently that's how you pronounce it. Stock cubes. Put that in and then whiz it out. I'll empty that out into a big pan and then I'll use up creme fraiche that was left over. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme and just warm that through. So I'll just add a little bit creme fraiche on the top, make it look a little bit chefy. Sprinkle in more of herbs. And there you have it, the roast vegetable soup with potato skin dippers.